Good morning guys. Today now start a new topic on this mathematics as matrix. So now find the rank of matrix and the normal form of that matrix. So now start that. At first I write the topic as the metric form, and here also write find the rank of the matrix as well the matrix. What's the strange name matrix? So now I take some limits as like a b c d e f and g h and I. That's it. And it's also 3 times of 3 as well, 3 cross 3 order matrix. So rank of the matrix, that is A, E and I. These are conical matrix as well, the element, and this is lower trigonal matrix and this upper trigonal matrix. So now here this is the set square. So now this is the lower trigonal matrix and find its the 0 of every 0 form I also write here. Therefore these functions are also 0, or we find the upper trigonal elements are 0 from. That's it. It's the main topic of the rank of matrix. So now that's it. So now again right here the main process I also write here A D G B E F H C F I. That's it. And now that's R. So 9 elements. So now the leading form is A, that interchange of D and G. So right here R3. So row of 3, this function, the lower function, is changed also interchanged by the R1, and here I also write and. So now R2 is interchanged by R1 also, and we also find the 0 from of this. So D and G are 0 also, then it's working. So now 0 0 form also, and A. So B is not changing, so E1 I also write and H1, and C F1 and also I1. That's it. And now working with this function as well, this H1 function interchanged by E1, and the H1 becomes the 0 form. So now that's it. So using E1 to changing that H1 equals to 0, so R2 is, so R3 interchange by R2 as well, find the 0 as H1 interchange 0 by E1. That's it. So I also write here this function A0 0 B E1 and 0 C F1 and I2 also I write here I2. Sometimes it's not 0, therefore. And this the conical matrix elements. That's are the rank of matrix of the matrix also. This is the rank of the matrix. So now if I2 equals to 0, then also I2 equals to 0, so the lower part is 3 elements are 0, then rank of A is this also A. Therefore I write here the rank of A is also rank of A is also 2 as well, the lower part all are 0. That's it. Therefore, and if I2 not is equal to 0, then the rank of A is 3 as well. This element is non-zero part. Therefore I also write here, if E1 is 0, E1 equals to 0, therefore equals to 0, but F1 not equals to 0, then the rank of matrix is also 2. If I2 is not equals to 0 and when I also write here, when I2 equals to 0, then it's also 0. Then now watching this, I also take a example at the last moment. So now here I also find the leading factor of these elements. So here is the A is the leading elements, and here this, so the first row and the first column leading element is A also. So I also write here R1 and C1 equals to A, which is the leading element, and also here E1 and the last column is I2, that is oil. This is the leading element of A is here, and also it's becoming the non-zero element. If that means A equals to 0, therefore interchange of this row or columns and take any row or column which has no non-zero element in the leading from. So now, so this you can take a screenshot, that's it. And now normal form of this matrix, that's it. So this function I also write here, this matrix form, that is A00 B E1 0 C F1 I2, I also write here. So now that's it. So C1 is interchanged by R at I2 and F1 is interchanged also by I2, that's it. Is the first operation in the interchanging of this matrix, that's it. So R1 is interchanged by R3, that's it, and also R2 interchanged by R3, that's it. As well the R1 and R2 is interchanged by R3 as the main factor of this. So now the take 0 form of this element. Also C and F1 is taking us 0, then A00 B E1 0 C 00 0 I2, that's it. So 3 cross 3 matrix is here. So now E1 is B is interchanging by E1, that is, so R1 is interchanged by also R2, that's it. So now that's equals to finding the 0 form, that's it. So now taking this element of this. So now watching this again of this form, that is A0 A E1 I2 and 0 0 0 0 0 0, that's it. And this the last element form of this, and this the conical form or elements of this matrix, and this the normal form of the matrix of A, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and never press the bell icon as well. So it's the normal form of matrix A, that's it. So now I also take a example of this operation form. So now example number 1, I also take on this video a one example only, that's it. So write down that find, so find the rank and the normal form of the matrix A, that is the given matrix. So I also write again, find the rank and normal form of the given matrix, that's it. So rank and the normal form, find the given matrix, that's it. So A equals to, the given matrix is A equals to the matrix of 1 2 3 2 3 4 and 3 4 5, that's it. So now watching this as well, the changing row of these elements, that's are. So now 3 cos of 3 product of this, so 3 1 3 and 5 is the conical elements are here. So now 2 3 is interchanging by the r1 as well, here is the 1, so interchanging by this product 1 2 3 as well. As well 1 2 3 and r2 is interchanging, sorry I write the right side, so the interchanging of this r2 is interchanging by r2 minus 2 times of r1, that's it. And also r3 is interchanging by r3 minus 2 3 times of r1, that's it. So that's equals to 0 0 0 form. And now 3 is here and 2 is there, so therefore this formula 3 minus 4, that's equals to minus 1 as well. 2 times of minus 2, that's equals to minus 4 and the minus 1, and 4 times of this, therefore 6, that's equals to minus 2, that's it. So minus 1 and minus 2 is coming, so third column is 3 and the 3 minus of this, therefore I write also 4 minus of 3 times of 2, that's equals to 4 minus of 6, that's equals to minus 2, that's it, minus 2. And 5 minus of 3 times of 3, that's equals to 9, and that's equals to 5 minus of 9, that's equals to minus 4 also. Also write here the rough, and I pass out the rough, clean that rough, and now this function is coming. So now minus form I also cancel, so interchanging sign is this of matrix, that's equals to 1 2 3 and 0 0, and also plus 1 plus 2 and plus 2 plus 4, that's it. Also write the interchanging of the sign, so r2 is interchanging by minus 1 times of r2 also, that's it. And r3 is interchanging by minus of r3, that's it. So interchanging now again 2 by 1 this, so 1 0 0 and 2 3 also, so therefore the function set of by this r3 is interchanging by r3 minus of this, so 1 times of 2 minus of 2, that's equals to 0, that's it. So therefore 2 times of r2, that is, so the main is r3 interchanging by r3 minus 2 r2, that's it. So 2 1 0 and 3 2, and here I also write that the 4 minus of, so 4 minus of 2 times of 2, that's equals to 4 minus of 4, that's equals to 0. So I also write here the 0 form, that is, and the 0 0 0 form is coming as the null matrix is coming, therefore the rank of the matrix A is 2 also, as well 1 and 2 number row are non-zero form, so therefore the rank of matrix is 2, that is And now also right here we we also find of the of this from also find this the from of this form. So that is the rank of matrix. We also find that. Now which row of which any row or any column are 0 means all elements are 0, therefore that's not counted in non-countable in the rank of matrix. That's it. Yes, non-row and row and the column and non-zero form. That's it. So now 0 0 0 is coming the last row as the third row, therefore the matrix rank of matrix is 2. That is. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon. Now I find the normal form of this. So write again. That's it. 1 0 0 2 1 0 3 2 0. That is. And now operation by this 2 by this 1. So that's therefore the interchanging of the matrix is 1 0 0. It's not changing, so 1 is interchanging by 2. That is so R2 R1 is interchanging by 2 times of R2 minus R1. That is, so therefore, and also 2 times of 1 minus 2, that's equals to 0. So that's function 0, and that is my 1 and 0, and the last column is also becoming the 2 times of 2 minus of 3, that's equals to 0. So 4 minus 3, that's equals to 1 is coming. So I write here the 1 2 and the 0. So that is, and pass out the form of this matrix of the rough. So now find the 0 0 form. So 1 is becoming 0, so interchanging the matrix also, and thought of this. Now we also giving this, you know, you working with your form. That is, it's working by many forms. Point be noted, you only find the 0 form. So now R3 is interchanging by R1 minus of R3 minus of R1. That is, therefore 0 1 0, and the last column is 0 2 0. That is, so now the interchanging of the matrix is also this 2 is interchange. I also find the 0 form by this. So 1 0 0 0 1 0, and it's also it's not row function, it's also column function, therefore I write down the C. So C3 interchanging by C3 minus C1. That is, so 1 0 0 0 1 0, and first 0 and second last 0, and the middle term is 1 interchanging by 2 also, therefore I write down that. That's the again column formula. So C3 is interchanging by C3 minus of 2 times of C2. That is, so therefore the 2 minus of 2 times of 1, and that's equals to also 0. So I write down that the 0 form. So now, and which is the required normal form of the matrix? So this is the normal form of this the matrix, the given matrix also, and the required answer is also its. Therefore, so I write down the normal form of the matrix A. That is, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon also. And 1 2 3, the given matrix I also write down 2 3 4 3 4 5. That's it. And this 3 2 and this 2 4 and 3 4. Also find the 0 in the normal form. It's the main theory of this equation. That is, I also write down here the answer. So rank this the rank of the matrix A. This the rank of the matrix A, and this the normal form of matrix A, that is A, and the A and rank of A is 2. As well, the last part is becoming 2. You can say the lower part is becoming 3 elements as 0. Therefore, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Never miss press the bell icon. So now I working also the matrix form on this YouTube channel. I also given the much more videos on this channel of this matrix and the vector space. Thank you. Have a good day.
Carve your name in my mind, 'cause you carved it. You carved